Welcome to madecv.com. What is your name and nationality?
I'm Francis Catarli. I'm Philippines. I'm 44 years old.
Okay. Are you single or married?
I'm married now.
How many children do you have?
I have one children.
One child. And where is your child now?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your child?
My child in the Philippines is schooling in the university.
Okay. In Philippines. Okay, so what position are you applying for?
I want to apply for a housemaid.
Housemaid. Okay, so when would you be able to start working?
Yes, ma'am.
When would you be able to start working?
I start working from Hatta.
When can you start for your new job? When can you start?
2,800. 2008.
No,
2008 month.
no, for your new job. For your new job. When can you start? When can you start? Immediately? Or by next month? By March? When?
I want to start, ma'am, by next year, 2015, month of March.
Month of March. Okay.
The month.
Okay, so do you have relatives here in UAE?
Nothing relative.
Okay, please describe your present job. Describe your present job.
I'm present job here. I'm cleaning, ironing.
Mm-hmm.
What?
So you're in charge of doing all the household chores.
Yeah, all around, ma'am. All around for her husband.
Okay, so describe how do you clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the toilet, and which part of the house are you going to clean first?
First, make I know how to make breakfast for cooking. Then after that, finish for kitchen and cleaning inside the room.
Okay.
Then after that, I'm cleaning up the bedroom. I'm arrange. Then after I'm clean the dusting for all cabinet table for dress. I make arrange. Then after that, I make vacuum, and after last cleaning for the toilet.
Okay, so for the bedroom, how many times in a week do you have to change the bed sheets?
Then I will clean inside the room every day.
Every day. But the bed sheets, how many
Yes,
times in a week do you have to change it?
I change the bed sheet every last day of the month.
Once a month? You do it
Yeah.
once a month? Okay. So, you do it once a month, the changing of the bedsheet. How do you maintain the cleanliness of the toilet?
For the cleanliness of toilet, I clean every day also.
You clean every day.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
Yes.
There's a delivery man outside. Your employer is not around. What are you going to do?
For having some deliver for my employer, I will take also. I'm allowed for take for delivery.
Okay. Okay, so do you know how to cook?
For example, for bring aramix, after I will get for my cook.
No, I mean, do you know
Yes,
how to
ma'am.
cook? Do you know how to cook?
Yeah, I know how. Yeah, I know how to cook for lunch, dinner. For example, biryani, matbus.
Mm-hmm.
For dinner, sandwich, macaroni.
Okay, so do you know how to
And
follow instruction in cookbooks?
instruction what, ma'am?
In cookbooks, do you know how to follow instruction in recipe books?
Yes, ma'am. I know how
You
to
can.
follow for the recipe book.
Okay, so how much is your minimum
But I
expected
need,
salary?
uh, I want expected salary almost 1,800 and
One.
above.
Okay, so but you're willing to accept 1,800.
Yes, ma'am. I will
Okay.
accept to 1,800.
Okay, so describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
I Can you repeat question, ma'am?
Describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Can you oh, yes?
Yeah, describe yourself. Are you hardworking? Are you honest? Are you flexible? What?
Yes, I'm Francisca Bauer. I'm hardworking.
Mm-hmm.
I'm honest. I
Okay.
will do my best. Abrong, I will do my best. Then after telling my sponsor, I will follow. I will not making wrong for my sponsor.
Okay. Okay, so please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from maidcv.com. Thank you.